Hi friends, how are you today? Are you good? Yes or no? Yes, I heard mostly yeses and that's awesome. If you said no, that's okay. I'll send you some love. Okay, today we are going to practice drawing a picture and then writing that first sound we hear for the word for what that picture is. So easy peasy. All right, so you are going to need your helper, which is the grown-up that's with you, to help you get your supplies. All you need today is a piece of paper, any paper, and if you could draw 3 lines. I drew it with pencil because you'll have a pencil at home. And then you also need a pencil. Okay, so go ahead and have your helper get your supplies. All right, friends, let's check our schedule. Here we are. Look, we only have one activity today. We're just going to draw our picture and write that beginning sound that we hear to tell what our picture is. And then when we get to the start, we're all done. Easy peasy. Okay, let's get started. Okay, friends, Mrs. Huey's picture has black lines because I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. So we are going to draw a picture today of a cat. Just its head, easy peasy. And I want you to follow what I do. Okay, let's get started. First thing, at the top of your paper, I want you just to start at the top and make a magic C. Keep going. Okay, your turn. Nice. Okay, now cats have 2 ears. So we are going to go ahead and make 2 ears. Ready? Watch me. You're going to start at the top and go up, down. Your turn. Yes. Okay, now let's do the other ear. Ready? Start at the top, up, down. You got it. Okay, and guess what? Cats have 2 eyes. So let's do it. We're just going to make 1 eye, 2 eyes. Your turn. Nice. Okay, now, cats kind of have an upside down triangle nose, which sounds kind of tricky, but it's really not. So watch Huey. Ready? Make a little line across, just like that. Awesome. Then start at the side and just make a little slanty line. Good. Okay, now do it on the other side and make it to that point. Nice. Okay, now, making a cat's mouth is a little bit tricky. Let's give it a try. So watch Huey. You're going to start at this bottom and I want you to go down, hook. Looks kind of like a J. Good. Okay, now guess what? Go right back to that same point and I want you to go down and I want you to hook the other way. Oh my gosh, you did it. That's awesome. Okay, now guess what? We got to give our cat some cute little whiskers. So let's do this. Watch Huey. Ready? We're going to go 1, 2, 3. Your turn. Nice. Okay, ready? On the other side. 1, 2, 3. And guess what? You did it. You drew the picture of a cute little cat face. Okay, so now we said we were going to write the beginning sound of the word cat. So let's think. Think in your mind, what letter makes the sound? Oh, yes. Okay, so it's a C. Let's make our C. Ready? Watch this magic C. Let me see you try it. Awesome! All right, so we drew a picture of a cat, and then we wrote the beginning sound for what we heard in the word cat. Fantastic! Let's check our schedule. Friends, we did it. We drew our cat, and we wrote the beginning sound, which is that first sound you hear in the word cat, and it was a C. Awesome job drawing and writing today. Okay. We got to check this off because we finished it. We're done. Check. All right, we made it to the star. You know that means we're all done. A big heart for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can learn more with Mrs. Huey. Bye.